All right, all my fellow YouTubers, we have here Smashly, the one and only. I don't know if I should be saying Smashly while I have it working on my 1942 priceless Logan lathe. But anyway, what we have here is a new to us 4-jaw DE Witten Company lathe. You guys can't read any of that. But anyway, the company was founded in Connecticut. I'm not sure if they're still in business, but they're supposedly a great chuck. We're going to see. We have this quick lock mechanism on the back here. You guys can see it has like a centering pin. And then this twist lock collar. I'm going to be taking that off, and then I chucked up already a 5C backing plate. Unfortunately, this one is from China, but I think it's going to be good for what we need. So the plan is take the collar off, measure the inside, mark it on the backing plate, and Ashley, hi Ashley, is going to make the cuts. Pressure, babe.
Yeah.
So we got the backing plate faced. Looks pretty good. Now Ashley's just going to be bringing in the cutter a little tiny bit and then checking them with the calipers. All right, babe. Let's see what you're made of. This one if you want to go in to it. That one I tightened, so it's going to be very hard. Now back it up. All right, guys. 27 and a half hours later. Come on, babe. Pull yourself together. We got millions and millions of followers watching. All right, guys, let's see if we can show this on camera. We got a very nice finish here. Ashley faced it off. She made a little bump out. And you want to fit the chuck, babe? Let's see how it fits.
God.
Let's see if I can swing around to this side. Oh, you got it already?
Yeah.
Ah, very nice. So, as you guys can see, the backing plate on this one, unfortunately, it's a little smaller overall diameter, so I don't have this big half-inch area on the side, but I still have this nice big face on the bottom. All right, cut number 2, guys. So, I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but there's a tiny little gap right there. And, you know, as Ashley likes to say, no one will ever see that, or the age-old saying, it looks good from my house, but, you know, the problem is, this is my house, and I'll know that it's there. But I think we're going to leave it. I could always reface it down a little bit if I want. I'm going to pull all this out, and I'll mount it into Bridgeport, and then we'll center up to drill the 4 holes and tap the threads. Good job, babe.
Thanks.
All right, guys, so we moved it over to the Bridgeport now. I got it mounted in the 5C collet holder. I made up these short 1/2-inch threaded rods here, and just gonna, got some washers on there. I'm just gonna bring those in, just like that. I'll do the same on that side, and I'll get it clamped down. Then what I'm gonna do is take the chuck, get it centered the best we can. And then I have a transfer punch here that's basically the same size as the hole. Just gonna put that down. I'll give a nice center punch, and then I'll bring over, I'm gonna put in this chuck. It's an Albright chuck. It's manual. You basically open and close it by hand. And then I'll go get my tap and die chart, and I'll see what drill size I need and what tap I need to cut the threads. That's my center point. All right, guys, so, you know, there's a million ways to tap a hole. This is my setup. This is actually a one-way clutch from a Honda CB 350, I think, that I changed years ago. I'm just using this as a little counterweight here. I set the handle, you know, horizontal, and then I kind of put that on. It just adds a little bit of downward force. And then I'm just hand tapping, you know, and using a lot of oil. Just going like a quarter of a turn, pulling it back. And basically, this handle will move up and down, guys. And what that's doing is, I'm just keeping a center point in there. And it's just, you know, keeping my hole nice and straight. Nothing else to it.
And you were worried.
Got a slight wobble to it. Yeah. It's spinning true on the back of the blade though. Yeah. The jaws look pretty good. The jaws look better than the housing, to be honest. All right, there she is in all her glory. Thing looks pretty good. The only thing I might do in the future is get some longer bolts for this guy. I'm about halfway into the backing plate now, but you know, I could definitely come to the end for a little more strength. I think she looks great. Definitely looks like it belongs on there. All right, we'll see how it spins. All right, gonna call that done. And now I have a few projects that I'm gonna be using the new chuck for.